Hey everyone! Today we're making these fresh and flavorful shrimp and avocado bowls with mango salsa and a creamy lime chili sauce. This recipe is vibrant, healthy, and so easy. You can have it on the table in about 30 minutes. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or meal prep. Let's get cooking. 1 pound large shrimp peeled, deveined, and clean. Pat them dry. Friends, where are you watching my video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Seasons the shrimps with salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and pepper. Marinate for 10 minutes. For chili lime yogurt sauce, in a bowl, combine a 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon honey, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon chili powder, adjust to taste, zest of 1 lime, juice of 1 lime. Mix well. Adjust seasoning to taste. For the mango salsa, in a large bowl, add diced 1 large Mexican mango. Finely dice half red onion. Add to the bowl. Finely dice a half jalapeno. Add to the bowl. Finely chopped a tablespoon cilantro. Add to the bowl. Dice the grape tomatoes. Add to the bowl. Add juice of 1 lime. Salt to taste and mix well. Let it chill in the fridge until use. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Cook the marinated shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and slightly charred. Assemble the bowls by adding a base of cooked rice or quinoa to each bowl. Arrange grilled shrimp, sliced avocado, and mango salsa on top. Drizzle lime chili yogurt sauce generously over the bowls. And there you have it, shrimp and avocado bowls with sweet mango salsa and that irresistible lime chili sauce. This is fresh, colorful, and bursting with flavor. Enjoy immediately. I hope you give it a try soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes, and share it with someone who loves shrimp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching to the end.